Hello everybody, welcome to Tuesday. Really good day. The S&P 500 was up 0.75% today, continuing our gains that we've been making pretty much every day since we broke into the new high. The run that I was hoping for has happened. Things are going well. And the really big news today is that our targeted indexes, every single one of them but one, did better than the S&P 500 today. Lots of the bond pieces did better than the S&P 500 today, which was nice to see also, continuing yesterday's bond run. Our innovative technology was up 5.2%, Apple was up 4%, cybersecurity was up 3.7%, software 2.7%, artificial intelligence and robotics 2.2%, semiconductors 2%, really good. Our one loser was our advanced healthcare, which was down 1.6% for the day. Kind of gave back what it made yesterday. So they don't all win, but overall, we're seeing a lot of great gains out of this. This is just simply companies that are announcing record earnings and record revenues because of the pandemic. It has forced a lot of business to them as things have shifted. And if you're in the right areas, you're doing really well. There's a tremendous number of areas that aren't working that well. We're in the right areas. It's been working quite well. And so one thing I would counsel is not to get too afraid of these runs. Sometimes people think, oh, it's just too frothy, it's going to fall apart. These companies are moving because of record revenues and earnings. That's important. That might change, and yes, they're very expensive, but there's not that many places to go with your money. And this is one of the areas that's really doing quite well. I will say that we should have some decent pullbacks. Just because we've now created this huge run from the all-time high before, there's virtually no support level in there. It hasn't spent very much time at any of these prices. It often comes back down and kind of refills. That's okay. We're ready for that. So everything's doing really well. Very, very happy for today. Great day for our portfolios. So I look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. See if we can keep this running. Talk to you then. Thank you.